going on, guys? It's B Sneak. Welcome back to another video. We're 2 days in a row now with 2 uploads, and I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. If you haven't already watched it, make sure to go watch it up here. It's day 2 of NYC in New York. Crazy video. You gotta go check it out. Right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys my pretty crazy but condensed Supreme clothing collection. I have about 10 pieces right here, and I wanted to show you guys my favorite Supreme pieces right now and everything that I have from Supreme. Also, this video is sponsored by CDG, so huge shout out to CDG. I'm gonna be getting into it and explaining what CDG is, but it's the craziest and most successful Supreme bot that has ever been made. So I'm gonna start off by showing you a couple of these pieces, and then we're gonna get into the bot. I'm gonna explain to you guys why I think you guys should get the bot. You guys can use my code, which will be on the screen, towards the bot, so you guys can get some money off. And I promise you guys, you won't be disappointed when you get the bot. Very high success rate. So let me show you guys the first 2 pieces. Recently got this. This is the Supreme CDG wool knit sweater. This released last year, I want to say. Yeah, this is super fire. It's very comfortable and it's really rare. It's hard to find, and I recently got it. It's just a dope sweater. I mean, everybody needs a sweater. I didn't have a sweater before I got this, and I'm very happy that I was able to track this down. Second item is this red or burgundy box logo Crewneck that recently came out. This is super fire. I love this color. I'm really happy that they didn't just go with like that bright red that we've seen on the hoodie, because this, I feel like, goes with more. This is more of like a fall vibe, I feel like, with this color, but I really like this color. All right, so if you guys want to see the rest of my collection, you got to wait till the end of the video right after this. But if you guys didn't know about this Thursday's drop, it's a Tuesday, that's when this should be going up. But Thursday, the Swarovski box logo drop, and just the Swarovski collection is dropping with Supreme. This is one of the craziest and most hyped releases of the year, and that's why you guys need the bot right now. You guys can secure any item you want, almost any item you want, with a pretty high guaranteed chance for retail, and then you can resell it or keep it or do whatever the heck you want with it. And that's why I really recommend that you guys act fast, especially with my code, because it's a limited time with this code, so you guys can get some money off. So make sure if you guys want any of this week's drop, to go get it down below. The link will be in the description, as well as with my promo code. It'll be down there. If you guys don't have the cop bot and you want to cop crazy releases from Supreme, it's honestly impossible. Take it from me, I've tried, and it's frustrating because once it's sold out, it's gone, and the only way you're gonna get it is by going to a resale store, which I do because I can, and I'm fortunate to be able to afford certain things if I'm not able to get it for retail. I know a lot of you guys out there are young and you guys are kids like me, and you want to be able to get stuff for a fair price without having to pay top dollar. So I've had success with many drops all year. I've got tons of accessories and box logos and everything hype that you guys are trying for and probably not getting successfully. And a lot of people may get it for retail, but there's a lot of other people that are not getting anything and are striking out and taking nothing. They're not getting anything. Also, if you guys didn't know, CopBot, once you buy it, you never have to pay another fee again. It's a one-time fee, and then once you get it, it's yours forever, and you don't have to pay those annoying monthly fees that other bots may be charging. And so that's really helpful when it comes to this bot, because it may seem like a lot up front for a bot. And don't get me wrong, if you're a young kid, you may think, well, this is a lot up front. But just think about, if you get this bot, you get one hyped item, resell it, your money back just like that, and then tons of profit, and you get to use it over and over again. Now, if you're a student in high school like me, I'm a junior, sometimes you're at school, or if you're working and you're older, you're at your job, and you're like, I can't be on my computer right now to use CopBot. Or you're in class when the Supreme drops. So basically you can set tasks, which is a really awesome feature, which has been very helpful to me. You go onto the bot, you set a task, you basically can set it to what you want, the sizes, the items, and then it'll run it for you while you're out of the house. You just have to have your computer on, I'm pretty sure. So that's very, very helpful whether you're at school or you're working outside of the house and you can't have access to your computer at the time. Another new thing that they added to the CopBot, which is very helpful, is the human mimicking feature or adjustment. Basically, it allows you not to get caught on Supreme.com, so Supreme doesn't know you're using a bot, and it also helps you bypass the CAPTCHA, which is basically that verification that proves that you're human trying to buy the item. It bypasses all that, so it checks out super quick on whatever you're trying to get. All right, so now guys, I'm on my computer and I'm gonna be showing you guys a live, basically, cop of me getting something. All right guys, so now I'm on my computer and I'm gonna be showing you live in this video how it works and how fast it is. All right, so if you guys just saw that, I just got that item super quick, instantly. I'm not doing it right now because my laptop is somewhere else. It's actually being repaired right now. But if you guys see how fast it is, you're basically almost guaranteed any item you want. You have a very big advantage over anybody that doesn't have this bot. And so that is it, guys. Make sure you use my code. It'll be on the screen for 10% off the bot. It's not gonna last long, and you guys better get it before this Thursday with this huge, crazy drop. This drop is almost as big, maybe even bigger, and Supreme Louis Vuitton. Crazy drop. You guys are gonna want to get this bot so you can get anything for retail. So again, huge shout out to CopBot for sponsoring this video. Make sure to go get it down below, and let me show you guys the rest of my Supreme stuff. So I got this gray crew neck. I have a lot of the crew necks from the recent drop. I really like all the colors and just how they fit too. I really like the fit. I got a black one with my dad. I really liked how it looked on me, and so I got a lot of them. My dad has the same color too. He got it in the video, but I ended up getting a gray one too. I think this is fire. Then I got this forest green one right here. In my opinion, the best color out of all of them. And I did actually get this off of Supreme for retail. So huge shout out to CopBot. You already know it wouldn't have been possible without it. Then we got this natural, I believe it's called. It's almost like a peach, but a little lighter. Box logo crew neck right here. This I'm worried about wearing because it's gonna get ruined, but it's a very nice color and I can pull off some dope outfits with this for sure. This with some blue jeans would look nice. You want to keep it light with another light color. Last two items right here, and I know my Supreme collection isn't crazy out the door. I put my money into other stuff. This Supreme North Face jacket, I did just get this in New York. This is fire. I did get a purple one too, but I sold that because it was sort of uncomfortable. I'm never gonna wear that in LA. But this one is a little less big and bulky and out there, so that's why I got this one. Fire, the red. I am gonna also try to get this in yellow and black, maybe blue, but the blue is hard to wear a lot of stuff with. We actually got two items right here, two last items, and we got this orange Nopsi from the North Face collection as well. When Supreme collabed with them a couple years ago, it was probably more than a couple. And then this Champion Supreme long sleeve. This is like probably the only simple Supreme thing I have. I've had a lot of shirts and stuff, but I've just found a lot of friends that like want to buy them off me and stuff, so that's why I don't really keep them. Because right now I really just love designer and vintage shirts. That's what I wear a lot, Balenciaga, and then I get a lot of vintage shirts at Round 2 Vintage and online and all that. So with all that being said, make sure you guys go get the CopBot down below. Really appreciate it if you guys did and use my code. Make sure you guys use my code to get money off, and good luck this Thursday on the drop. And with all that being said, it's your boy Blake. Catch you guys in the next video, and we're out of here. Peace.